I'm going to make butter with this and this. Deal with it. So just like I said, I'm going to make some butter with this. This is a 1 gallon Helix paint mixer from Walmart. Hyper tough. You put this in a drill. Yeah, we're going to see what this sucker does. And this is a paint mixing container. Listen, I know none of this is food safe. But I figure if I just wash the hell out of this thing, basically put it under lots of hot water, everything will be fine. I'll do the same thing with this, some soap and water. We'll let it dry out good. So let's get started. Now there's a couple of admin notes. One, I'm going to be using heavy whipping cream. And oddly enough, these things have unbelievable expiration dates because they haven't been pasteurized yet. This one's actually good out to, this was open, I bought this one last week, and this one's good out to January 18th of 2023. So whipping cream can last a long time. The other thing too is they say this takes about 3 minutes. So I don't know if the traditional wireless or cordless drill will actually work in this application. So I had to bust out Old Faithful here. Yeah. Oh, it's going to be a good day. We're going to see what happens. This one you actually need a chuck to put things in. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. All right, now that we got Old Faithful set up, let's go ahead and get ready to go. I'm sure this is going to get loud, so we're going to, I'll probably do some time-lapse stuff. And then all we have to do, this is about halfway full, as this is an experiment, so roughly 16 ounces. And yes, this container's already been cleaned out. And nice hot water. Not too hot. I don't want it to leach plastic, or the oil from the plastic, but everything has been basically sanitized. Whoop, almost made a huge mess there. Let's get into it.
Tastes like butter.
Tastes like butter. So I've got butter now. Now we're going to take this butter and package it somehow. I don't have any butter things to make butter sticks. All right, now let's take a good look at this butter and see what this is all about. Yeah, she's definitely, that's some, I think what I've made is whipped butter. And so when you're making your butter, if you decide to use this method, there's a couple things that you need to be aware of. One, the speed of the drill is so fast and you have to alternate it between clockwise and counterclockwise that that's a lot of butter. That is half of this. So make sure that you're aware of how much butter you're making and have a plan to do something with it. I'm going to go buy some molds and I'm going to put these in molds. But yeah, I made me whipped butter. Okay, so what have we learned? Well, the type of butter that I made is actually what they call whipped butter. And the reason they call it is because most of the liquid does not separate from the butter because of the speed of the drill. It's a real problem. So if you want the kind of butter that you can put out on your counter, it's going to sit there for a while, then this may not be your best option. But if you just want a good whipped butter that you can use almost like parquet or something like that, then this could be a way to do this. Why did I do this experiment? It was actually pretty simple. Butter's getting expensive. Whipping cream is not expensive. And whipping cream stays for a long time. The expiration date on it is months. So let that sink in for a little bit as far as like storing stuff inside your fridge that you'll be able to use later on in the future. The other reason was that I'm trying to get back to the basics. Cooking all the time, making food instead of procuring pre-made food that's already set up for us that we can just microwave or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting ready to go try some of this butter on some of my fresh baked bread. And yeah, you guys know how that's going to turn out. I think that's about it. If you got any questions, down in the comments. Until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.